Volk Optical introduces the VistaView. Designed with a vision of addressing the need that every eye doctor should have their own reliable, affordable, and connected imaging device, the VistaView is an ultra-compact mydriatic retinal camera ready to accompany you wherever you go. Powered by Volk Optics, the VistaView provides unmatched imaging integrated with a comprehensive imaging workflow, from patient data management to report generation, all on one device. Designed with your workflow in mind, the VistaView enables you to enter patient information and store patient profiles right on the device to help you manage and easily access your patient data. Unmatched Volk Optics, combined with state-of-the-art imaging software, makes retinal imaging quick and intuitive, allowing you to capture 55-degree images with ease. Simply turn on voice capture to obtain images by voice command. Just say, "Capture."
Capture.
To easily take images without even lifting a finger. Perfect for when you need an extra hand. Successfully image patients from various populations, including darker retinas, while maintaining patient comfort with user-adjustable illumination. The VistaView serves as a great educational tool to engage in patient conversations, improving patient understanding and compliance. Quickly and easily review your fundus images in detail via the interactive high-resolution touchscreen. You can even add a red-free filter to reveal any lesions or vascular anomalies and note your important clinical findings right on the device, resulting in an accelerated imaging experience. Instantly generate reports with just a click. Easily export password-protected reports and images for billing, consultations, and referrals. The VistaView is so easy to use, anyone on your team will be taking images in no time, improving your imaging throughput and boosting your revenues. Equip your residents and staff with VistaView to rapidly record and share their findings with you on the go, or use it for mobile screenings and house calls. With the VistaView, you can truly take the view with you. Powerful and simple, the VistaView is ready to use right out of the box and accompany you wherever you go. Experience unmatched imaging integrated with patient data management, onboard image review, instant report generation, and password-protected data sharing. A complete imaging workflow, all on one device. The Volk VistaView. Take the view with you.